So I would like to welcome all of you to visit my website, which is you already done it. And for those who are failing to do so, never mind, you can click this publish icon, and then you can also publish automatically. The Google sites are going to help you to publish your website, and then you have the view publish sites, which is as follows, right? And then I already explained to you to go for my specific pictures. If you go to my website, you cannot retrieve the data. You see, this is called the banner. Nampak tak banner ni tadi pop up? Please call me for help. So for those who are clicking that one, it is going to be navigated through the API for the continuing chat, data analysis helper. Then it will open the chat that they can communicate to me. So this is called automation lah. Macam kita nak automate kan. Orang klik sini, dia boleh laporkan ini. Boleh CISPA, boleh itu, boleh ini. Semuanya automatic. Betul tak? So first step, you need to go and visit my page, which is I already make it hidden. So inside my hidden page is actually consists of this data, and I do believe that all of you is already downloading this data. Correct or not? Okay. For those who are not downloading this data, or for those who are not visiting those pages, I can actually go and find out how many people is already visit my page and how many did not visit my page. Just go to the real time, for example, over here, then I can see majority of you, all of you is actually have more than 50 kelas awak kan. So kalau siapa yang pergi ambil tapi dia dapat, itu mungkin sebab bukan dia dapat dalam WhatsApp group, betul tak? Oh, ada share dalam WhatsApp group kan? Ada. So maksudnya you dapat bukan daripada website saya lah, you dapat daripada WhatsApp group, which is tak ada masalah lah. But the interesting part is, this is how you can know whether there is exactly 50 students going there or not. So it's actually not all going there. Some of them is actually gathering the information and get the data from other sources. Okay, that is the idea. So this is my data. All of you get this data also? Okay, please name the data as follows. I just name it as dengue data. Okay, you name it the data already, dengue data.csv. If you open the data, then the data are going to be opened based on your spreadsheet configurations. So in my setup, every CSV file are going to be opened by the Microsoft Excel. So this is the idea. I got gender, work, category, onset, let long, day. This is only an example. Okay, finish doing that, then I'm going to create the Google My Map. Okay, are you ready to create Google My Map? Okay, go to your new tab. Okay, new tab. New tab means that you click over here, you got the plus icon. That means you are trying to open a new tab. And then you type there Google My Map. Google, Google, Google My Maps. Okay, after you type Google My Maps, there are numbers of options. One of it is actually using this one. Google, www.google.com/mymaps. After that, you can open the Google My Maps. It's going to be presented something like this. So you got numbers of map lah. Kalau anda tak ada map, maka dia akan kosong lah, betul tak? Okay, so let us create a map. Okay, so I got numbers of map over here. Sabah cluster, Sabah EXP, rumah-rumah syurga, apa benda ni? Test dan lain-lain. Okay, this is an example. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So you can go to the create a new maps. Okay, go and create a new maps. Okay, create my maps, upload title, thumbnail and associate metadata to the drive, create. After that, it is going to open a menu that you can upload a files associated with the map function. Okay, it is going to be open, something like this. It's open already. And then after that, please go and look on the left side. You have here is a untitled map, right? And then you can name the map. So for example, this one is dengue data dummy. Sorry, dengue data example. Okay, you can put some descriptions also. Exercise about dengue data. Exercise about spatial epidemiology lah. Spatial epidemiology. Okay, and then you can click save. Okay, done or not done? So now we are going to get the data and we are going to visualize the data. So if you go back to our original data set over here, we got the data associated with the lat long. Lat long is the latitude and longitude that are already being specified, and I also discussed it before, where you put all of your address and then we can convert it into lat long. So now we want to visualize it. And after you visualize it, you want to share the map to your website. So how to do that? You go to the left corner over here, you got the untitled layer, correct or not? Okay, click those untitled layer and name it. You can name it as data lah. Data, and then click save, and then you can also click import. Okay, yang ini nanti dalam kelas EPID pun tak silap Puan Amizah akan ajar tuan-tuan dan puan. But of course you can ask for more advanced lah, nanti beliau akan bantu ajar kepada saudara-saudari sekalian. And then you can go for browse, and then you can browse the data files. So I already named the file as follows, right? dengue-data.csv, and then I can click open. And then after being imported, it's become something like this. Choose column to position your place marker. Tak apa, biasalah kan, kadang-kadang kita lupa nak ni. Okay, please choose column to position your place marker. For example, I'm going to choose the category. Okay, ni contoh I'm going to choose my category. Sorry Select the columns your file tell us to put place marker. Okay, sorry. First of all, go and select the lat long. Lat long so this one latitude, longitude, okay, latitude and longitude. Okay, lat long, latitude. Okay, and then after that click continue, and then choose column title such as name. Name ni anda boleh letakkanlah city. Saya letakkan city and then you can click finish. After you click finish, then you will see something like this. Can you see it or not? Cannot Cannot maksudnya anda punya internet mungkin slow sikit lah. But it will be theoretically being pointed like this. And then what you can do next is basically you can change the uniform style. This one is the uniform style. You can go there and then change it accordingly. For example, I'm going to change it based on the city. Okay, so I got the based on city lah. So ini adalah majlis perbandaran mana, ini majlis perbandaran mana. Nampak tak? Okay, I also can change according to the labels. For example, I'm going to change for the contohlah age. Age ni adalah data numerical. Group placed by age. Sorry saya change. I'm going to select for age. And then I'm going to go for category based on city. And then I can go for ranges. And then I can change for the different palettes. This is the example lah. And then I got something like this. So ini contoh tuan-tuan dan puan. You can see that they are different color according to the different name of majlis perbandaran. So kalau tuan-tuan dan puan klik kat sini, group places by age and then ranges for set label as city. So maknanya kat sini saya boleh tahulah macam mana umur orang dekat majlis perbandaran tertentu. I also can change it differently. For example, I can change it according to the day. Ni contoh day. Day ni maksudnya hari lah. Hari, sebab ini menunjukkan minggu. Minggu pertama, minggu kedua, minggu ketiga, minggu keempat. So contoh macam dalam data ni, kita boleh nampak lah. Minggu pertama biasanya kes akan mula menaik. Minggu kedua kes akan mula mencanak. Minggu ketiga menurun dan minggu keempat akan mula reda. This is example only lah. Yelah betul. Ini adalah based on hari, maksudnya hari bulan lah. Hari bulan satu hari bulan sampai 31 hari bulan. So this is the example of the day and time. I also can change according to the different place marker. Contohnya I'm going to change the icon. I also can do that. I also can change the icon based on my preferred icon. I also can change that. Okay, tak apa. Nanti anda borak dulu. Kejap lagi anda buat ya. Never mind, you can discuss accordingly. So this is the example. I change already the icon. And then I can change also the palettes, okay, according to the intensity. It's okay. You can discuss. Okay, and then the most important part after you finish everything with the setup and so on, I'm going to change for another one, name it as publishing it. So contohnya saya nak publishkan dia, tuan-tuan dan puan sekalian, I can go for share. You can click the kepala tambah tu. You can go for allow anyone with the link can view, and then let others search for this map to find it on internet. This one saya tak make it available lah. Kalau saya klik ni, maknanya semua orang dalam dunia ni, Malaysia ke luar Malaysia boleh ada ability to see it, ya. Saya tak nak benda tu berlaku sebab saya nak orang nak tengok benda ni hanya pergi ke website saya. I just want to let the people have the data or the ideas if they visit my website. So what I need to do next is basically copy this link and then close, and followed by your apa ni? Your Google Sites. So inside your Google Site, as I mentioned to you before, you can also go for the embed using the URL. So by enter your URL based on the embed mechanism, you can also insert the map, and then the map is automatically being adapted according to your Google punya requirement lah, ataupun your Google Sites. That is one of the way. Another that you can go for your maps. You can go for maps. Your maps here is actually will reflect to your Google My Maps. You can go for the another tab here called My Maps. So you can select this one, dengue data example. So automatically it will retrieve the Google My Maps that you already designed it before, and then insert it inside your Google site. So it's finished already. Don't forget to click the publish. I know that all of you interested to do it, so please do it. So we continue back at 10:45.